Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the two official cases available for the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. So we have the two cases. We'll also show you how they fit in on the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. So these are the two official cases. One of them is the Sandstone bumper case, and the color we have is a Sandstone black, and the other one is the Karbon bumper case. Again, this is the black variant. Now these two cases are available for both the OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus 9. Now the pricing we'll tell later at the end of the video. We'll also mention about the pricing. So we'll just open this. So this is actually the Sandstone bumper case, and this is available for both in black color and a blue variant for the OnePlus 9, and this is available also in a kind of grayish color for the OnePlus 9 Pro. So we have the black one, so we'll just take this out. So there you go, and you also get a red Cable Club card here. So this is the case. So this is the Sandstone case. You can see the OnePlus logo here, and the finishing looks really nice. It's a solid case. You can see it's not a very flexible case. It's a hard case and looks really nice. You can see here designed by OnePlus branding here. The cut for the camera. You can see that power button is available as a separate button. Then you get the opening for the alert slider, and here we have the volume keys buttons, and we have the cut for the USB Type-C port and the speaker grill. So that's the case. You can see it's a very solid case, and the build quality is really good. It's actually kind of matte finish, but it's a hard matte actually Sandstone case. So you might be knowing already how the Sandstone case looks. So this is quite similar to what we saw on the Nord as well as the previous devices from OnePlus. So it's a very sturdy case, and you can see some lines on the side, so gives it a good feel altogether. So we have the OnePlus 9 with us. So this is the OnePlus 9, and we'll just put it on this device. So this case is for OnePlus 9, and this is how the Sandstone case looks like. Now this is also available in a bluish tone, but that will actually match up with the blue color, but this is not the blue, the winter mist color. So this is the case, and it looks actually pretty good in terms of build quality and fit and finish. It does add a bit of thickness, but then again, if you want a good protection, this is something which is recommended. You can also see that the sides have a slight raise so that it doesn't damage the display in terms when it falls down. So that's the Sandstone case for OnePlus 9. So this is available both in two colors, both for OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro, and this is priced around 790 rupees. Now next case is the Karbon bumper case. Again, this is available in black. Now the Karbon bumper case is available both for OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. The OnePlus 9 pricing is 1790, that's almost 1800 rupees, while for the OnePlus 9 Pro it's 1999, that's almost 2000 rupees. So that's the price. So just taking this out, here again you can see the red Cable Club mentioned, so we'll just keep this aside. So this is the Karbon case, and you can see that the texture, the carbon texture here, and the OnePlus logo. Here again you can see it's very sturdy case, and the material quality looks really good. You can also see the OnePlus branding. This is more sturdier than the Sandstone case, and you can also see the cut for the alert slider, the power button, the volume rocker keys. Similar cut for both. Here you can also see the raised bottom and top portions. This actually gives it a good protection for the display. The raised portions at the bottom and the top gives it a good feel altogether. Now this is very sturdy one. You can see the sound. It's a very sturdy one. So that's the Karbon case. You can see that. Now we have the OnePlus 9 Pro with us. So we'll just use this for the OnePlus 9 Pro. So there you go. You can see that now OnePlus 9 Pro looks really good in this Karbon case. This is actually one of the really good cases available. So the Karbon bumper case, it doesn't add that much thickness like the Sandstone one. It's a bit more slimmer, and it's a smooth finish altogether, unlike the Sandstone one which has a rough texture. this is more of a smooth texture and feels really good in hand. So this is the carbon bumper case for the OnePlus 9 Pro. So both these cases are available for OnePlus 9 as well as OnePlus 9 Pro. Now the Sandstone case is available in two colors for both OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro, and they are priced 790 rupees. Now the carbon bumper case is available for both OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. The OnePlus 9 variant is priced 1799, that's almost 1800 rupees, and for OnePlus 9 Pro it's priced 1999, that's 2000 rupees. So these cases are available on the OnePlus website, the link to which is available in the description of this video. So that is a quick video on the Sandstone case and the carbon bumper case available for the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.